You need to set up a meeting. Seems simple, right? So you open your inbox, start messaging colleagues asking when are you free, waiting for replies and trying to piece together everyone's availability, adjusting again and again, and still someone can't make it. Studies actually show that people spend 3 to 5 hours each week just trying to find the right people and coordinating times. And this is where OnTime comes in. OnTime is your all-in-one scheduling solution built to simplify collaboration and give you back your time. It gives you a real-time overview of you and your team's availability. It also integrates seamlessly with online meeting providers like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and SameTime. OnTime includes features like 7 different calendar views, a group view, individual view, list view, weekly planner, and time off view. It also includes Share My Time. Let others book a meeting with you without showing your full schedule. Just send a personalized link and they can pick a time that fits them the best and also fits right into your calendar. OnTime also includes an entire time off workflow, where you can request time off, approve it, and keep track of who's away, whether it's on vacation or maternity leave. You can also add multiple add-ons like mobile access, room display, catering, and find time. Everything you need to customize your own OnTime experience. So why is OnTime relevant for you? No matter your role, HR, team leader, or executive, poor coordination slows things down. OnTime helps your organization to work smarter by reducing back and forth communication, eliminating scheduling conflicts, and creating more transparency and clarity. It is accessible through desktop, mobile, inside ATL notes, and fully integrated within your Verse. You can even see your colleagues' schedules right inside ATL connections. Now let's take a quick look at the 2 ways you can get OnTime. With the freemium version, you get access for up to 50 users, completely free, however with limited functionality. It is already included in your Domino version 14. If that isn't enough for you, you can also get the premium version, which offers full functionality, support for unlimited users, full hybrid support, and complete access to all add-ons. So you can choose the version that fits your needs the best. Download the freemium version or book a demo of OnTime Premium today.